Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you download Marble Rivals. To download Marble Rivals, I'll be using Steam. So open up your browser, type in Steam store.steampowered.com, and once you open this up, you have to install Steam. So click on install from the top right hand side corner, and it's gonna install the .exe file. Then you have to run the installation, and once it is completely installed, then you can launch open Steam. So in my case, I've already done it, so I'm not going to show you the procedure. So straight away, we'll be moving on with how can you download it from your Steam. So once you launch open the Steam application, the interface will look something like this. So here on the search bar, you want to type in Marble Rivals. And here you have the Marble Rivals. You want to click open this up, and after which you want to scroll down and you could go and click on either free to play or play game. When you do this, it's gonna ask you to select the drive where you want to install it. So click on the particular drive and click on install. Then follow the on-screen prompt and you'll have successfully installed Marble Rivals on your PC. And to access the following game, you want to go to the library tab. And here in the left hand side corner, you could find Marble Rivals. You want to double click and click on play. That's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.